9 minus 1. How much is that? 8. Bravo! 9 minus 2. What's the answer? 7. Cool! 9 minus 3. Can you guess? 6. Perfect! 9 minus 4. What do we get? 5. Awesome! 9 minus 5. How much is that? 4. Good job! 9 minus 6. Can you say it? 3. Bravo! 9 minus 7. What's the answer? 2. Cool! 9 minus 8. How much is that? 1. Perfect! 9 minus 9. What do we get? 0. Awesome! If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Keep practicing and have fun with math.
8 minus 1 equals 7, just like when I eat one apple from my basket. Let's learn subtraction with bananas. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Great job learning subtraction. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Great job learning subtraction. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Let's count together. Let's learn subtraction together. When we take 6 apples away from 8 apples, we get 2 apples left. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Great job learning math. 8 minus 8 equals 0. That's how subtraction works when we take away the same amount.
If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Keep practicing and have fun with math.
I'm eating an apple, yum! 7 minus 1 is 6.
7 minus 2 equals 5. That's how many are left when you take away 2. Let's subtract. 7 minus 3 equals 4. That's how many fruits I have left.
Equals 3. 7, 6, 5, 4. Now we have 3.
7 minus 5 equals 2. That's how much I have left to eat. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 7, 6, and 1 left over. That's how we subtract.
Yummy! 7 apples, I ate 7. Now there are 0 left.
If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Keep practicing and have fun with math.
Hey everyone, let's have some fun with numbers. We're going to do some simple subtraction together. Ready? Let's start with the number 6. What is 6 minus 6? That's 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 6 minus 1 is 5. Awesome! Now for number 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 5 minus 1 is 4. You're doing great! Let's move to number 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Almost there. Number 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And now number 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Finally, what's 1 minus 1? It's 0. Thanks for counting with me.
10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 minus 1 equals 9.
Join us on our channel for more fun and educational songs. Please subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thank you.
Hello, friends. Let's have fun with numbers. 1 plus 1. How much is that? Yes, 2. Bravo. 2 plus 1. How much is that? That's right, 3. Great job. 2 plus 2. Can you guess? Yes, 4. Awesome. 3 plus 2. What's the answer? 5. Well done. 4 plus 2. Can you say it? 6. Perfect. 5 plus 2. How much is that? 7. Fantastic. 6 plus 2. What do we get? 8. Amazing. 8 plus 2. Can you count it? 10. Super.
Join us on our channel for more fun and educational songs.
Welcome to Toonie Boonie Kids, a fun and colorful place where kids learn and play through joyful songs.
10 plus 1 equals 11. 11 plus 1 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. 13 plus 1 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. 17 plus 1 equals 18. 18 plus 1 equals 19. 19 plus 1 equals 20.
Join us on our channel for more fun and educational songs. Please subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thank you.